What are you guys doing in there? Huh? Boys? Are you being bad? Huh? Trey, I'm talking to you. Hello? No. Stop it. Trey. Oh, Jesus. What are you? Oh. You guys are bad. You're bad. Come on. Get out. Come on. Hey. Oh, there goes another one.